think one of the key challenge, or amongst the key challenges, is to acquire the right kind of a talent, set up the right leadership team in the organization, putting together the right kind of organization structure, the organization design, the right kind of profiling of people, and to induct, orient, and train them. Capability building is of prime importance, and simple things but important to ensure that your team managers know what is it that they need to deliver, enhance clarity in terms of role, responsibilities, key accountabilities, measurable deliverables, setting up a proper review mechanism in periodically reviewing as to how things they are progressing, providing them the right kind of tools and the teams for them to really support business and to deliver to their customers.
Okay. What are some of the initiatives that you have undertaken in the last 1 year? HR initiatives that you have undertaken. You mentioned the automation process, you mentioned integration with SAP, etc. So if you could just revisit those factors.
Well, I think some of the things which one has been focusing, being such a large organization with over 42,000 employees, is to put together benchmark HR systems, policy, processes with a high degree of automation. So we've benchmarked with the best in the industry of each of our 23-24 key HR policies, getting the entire top management to be engaged and involved in looking and giving their perspective to the policies, and then finalizing those policies and making them available to our employees, which is available online. Similarly, I think all our HR systems and processes, like our integrated performance management system, our attendance, leave, all our benefit plans, everything is online. So putting them onto a SAP so that online it's available and accessible to the employees and to the managers in their own decision making process.
Okay. What would be the one factor, according to you, when you're hiring talent? What is the message that you want to give them when you're hiring people? Why do you think they should be part of RCOM at this juncture?
Oh, it's a great, exciting place. There's so much of challenges. We've got the huge amount of technology domain, the highest amount of investment that has happened in the telecom business in this country, with GSM, CDMA, and the value-added different kinds of the home business, the enterprise business, the global business. It's a huge platform of technology and a large organization which is there. There are large set of challenges which are there and offerings which are there in the organization, and phenomenal amount of growth opportunities available within RCOM and within the ADG group.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you.